Hello, welcome to our video. I am Emre Ata and I have been a Binance Global affiliate since 2019. Today, how to get a $19,800 bonus, 10% commission rebates, how to apply it to leveraged trades, and how to show and use a 20% lifetime commission rebate on spot trades. I will show you all of this. I am adding this part to the beginning of the video because I only explain the details in the later parts. I am explaining in detail how you can get this $19,800 welcome bonus quickly by using my code. Those wanting this $19,800 benefit can use my code and fill the form via Google, Apple, Telegram, or an email address, and open an account on Binance Global to use it quickly. Now let's move on to the detailed video. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I am Emre Ata. I have been a Binance Global affiliate since 2019. I mostly make videos about how to buy, how to sell, and how to use Binance. As for your reason for coming to the video, until now we were providing you all with a 20% commission rebate and a 10% commission rebate on leveraged trades via our code. An update happened today. Special affiliates like me provided new users like you with the code discount and the commission rebate it offers, along with earnings, plus a bonus of up to $600. You were completing some tasks and receiving a bonus. Now that bonus of up to $600 has been increased to $19,800. This means that by doing more tasks and creating volume, you can earn better profits. Let's dive into the details right away. Yes, friends, the new $19,800 welcome bonus. I've reached the page with the advantages and details. First of all, I want to show you the official announcement of Binance Global here. As you can see, the dates. By the way, the $600 welcome bonus is still ongoing and we have been given a quota of 1,000 people. So, users who are watching this video and will open a new account on Binance Global, hurry up, because we have a monthly quota of 1,000 people. Since I am an official Binance affiliate, unfortunately, this is the quota granted to me. That's why I recommend you to be fast. What were we doing before? Previously, we were giving you our code that provides a 10% commission rebate for 1 month on leveraged trades. You were getting a 20% commission rebate on spot trades for life. By completing the relevant steps, you could earn a bonus of up to $600. But now this $600 bonus has been increased to $19,800. Now this page actually concerns us, so that you can see the rules. I am showing it to you. This is the first task. After that, step by step according to the user, these bonus advantage parts will open. Most importantly, when you sign up with my code, you must complete KYC verification, your account verification, friends. And as you see, a 30-day period is given. Now to the main page. There is much information here to clear your doubts. The tasks and rewards section, as you can see. After registering, be sure to complete the first tasks and verify KYC. After that, we have come to the most important part. How can you get the $19,800 bonus? You opened your account. You used my reference code, or another veteran, laborer. Our affiliate friend's code might have been used. If you used the code of one of the global affiliates, if you used a valid code, you can benefit from these advantages. Now let's examine the table together. Deposit $100. Create $3,000 in spot volume in 7 days. Earn a $100 bonus. Deposit $200. Create $10,000 in spot volume. As you can see, your reward increases in stages. Deposit $500. In spot, $30,000 worth. You traded. You created a volume of $30,000. Then the bonus is like this. You deposited $2,000. This part is important. It covers spot and leverage trades. You deposited $2,000. You created $500,000 in volume. For example, within 14 days, you can earn a $1,000 bonus here. You deposited $5,000. You created a volume of $5 million. Again, in the same way, as you can see, you can earn a $3,000. Deposit $10,000. Create $20 million. Win a $5,000. Deposit $20,000 in spot, and you reach the volume here. The bonus you can get is this amount, friends. Of course, I recommend you to examine. Steps open, as you can see. Everything is specified step by step. There are also Q&A sections here, but these concern us. They don't concern you as users, but let's look anyway, as you can see. By the way, if you want to work with Binance Global as an affiliate, you can join us by filling out the form here. Now, most importantly, I have given you all this information. Those who will open a new account on Binance Global, you open the account. How will you verify the account? Apart from that, most importantly, what step will you follow to be able to win these bonuses? I will show you all of them step by step. Please don't leave the video. First, let's look at this page. This is the registration page. You click the link in the info section of this video or any link of mine on Google. You saw this code. As you can see here, up to 20% trade rebates is written. It says you can get a welcome bonus of up to $19,800. What is important here is my name, my nickname, and see my code here. After that, you will fill out this form. You can use your Google, Apple, Telegram, or email account or your mobile phone number, friends. Now let us go through the steps on Binance together. Yes, we are on Binance now. We have used our referral code. Account created. What is the first step? The first thing that you need to do is KYC verification. Verify your account, friends, visually, as you see. Here, you need to have a verified account to benefit from these bonuses. In the next step, we need to deposit money. Now I am showing you the easy deposit step. As you can see here, there is a deposit section. We click on it. You can choose the currency of your current country here. I will demonstrate using US dollars. It says buy with US dollars. Other options. You can also evaluate if you want. I clicked. Yes, now I need a stable coin first. I need a stable currency, for example, Tether. Alternatively, you can select USDC from here. You can find it in the menu here. USDC is located here. I want to demonstrate using Tether. I will show you the deposit techniques. You can see it right here. Apple Pay, Visa, MasterCard, GPay. Clicking here. It displays the deposit systems compatible with the crypto regulations of your current country. For example, I selected Visa here. I confirmed. Here. I am typing $100. In exchange for $100, $93 of Tether comes to my account. I click on buy from here. I clicked and $100 is in my account. You can trade easily here. You can buy any coin, friends, like Ethereum. Again, for instance, you enter $500 here. Then you choose Ethereum. You click on buy Ethereum and you purchase it. I will now take you to the market section. As you can see here, there is a market section above. Look, I'm showing. Clicked. Same on mobile. Now, how will I create volume? For example, I will buy and sell BNB coin now. Look, BNB is on the list. If not, you can find other coins here very easily. It could also be Bitcoin. I want to show you through BNB. I came to the trade section. It is the same on mobile, do not worry. I clicked. Now I had bought Tether for 100. I will buy and sell BNB with Tether. Oh, I'm here. Don't be scared by this screen. Reds are sell orders, greens are buy orders. This is the current price, friends. To buy quickly, you can click on the red one that is above the first current price. Current price is here. I have $100. It's in my account. I typed 100 and clicked buy. As you see, top right, same on mobile, order placed. Right now my $100 of BNB, I have BNB coin. As you can see. Now I want to sell. I'm picking a current price. I say sell my BNB. And I sold my BNB as you can see. Right now in my account. I have $99.9. It's here. So what did I do? I bought $100 of BNB and sold it. I created $200 of volume. Friends, you can see the thing from here. Like transaction history as you can see. So in this manner, you can create volume by trading. Besides this, in leveraged transactions as well, you have the opportunity to create volume. I want to show that too. I clicked. I came to the leveraged transaction section of Bitcoin. I have $100 here. Here, by clicking the same way, from here, I can open a long position or I can open a short position. So I advise you to be careful here. You should use stop loss. If you need technical data for this, you can follow the leveraged transactions video on my channel. But here too, when you make a purchase or sale of $100, and especially here, leverage numbers, you need to use these places very carefully. When you make the transactions here, you will again create a volume. Like, it is easier to create volume in leverage transactions. Let me show you from the table here. Like when you open a 10 times trade, when you deposit money, when you start a transaction, you can create buying volume faster. But I advise you to be careful in these leverage transactions. I even strongly advise you to check the Academy pages on Binance Academy about these leverage transactions. Yes, friends, today I explained how to get a $19,800 welcome bonus using my referral code on Binance Global and 10% commission discount on leverage trades, plus lifetime 20% commission discount on spot trades. I talked about how to get them. The trades were like this. Yes, your earning opportunity with new special affiliate referral codes, meaning your bonus opportunity is like this, friends. Hope you liked the video. If so, click the like button. You can also subscribe. I am trying to deliver Binance's innovations and updates to you as fast as I can. I am recording these videos. Hope you liked it. You can use my referral code with peace of. All the referral codes on my websites work without any problems. I have been in this sector since 2000. I recommend this to you. Please enter the Binance Academy pages. Study them. Friends new to the sector. This is very important. Learn how to protect yourself against scammers. Create your Binance account. Verify your KYC. And definitely do two-factor authentication. There is really million-dollar information on the Binance Academy pages. You can go in and see. By the way, I must also say this. Nothing in this video is investment advice. Your money is your life, friends. We are only recording these videos to inform you. I also want to provide this information, by the way. When you use my referral code, it provides a 10% commission rebate on your leverage trades for the first 30 days. It offers a 20% lifetime spot commission rebate up to $19,000. This allows you to receive a welcome bonus while also supporting. I look forward to. Goodbye, Emriata.